y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Siobhan or Trill, whichever one you want to call me. And I am back in Meal Prep Monday. Even though I know it's Tuesday, I'm sorry, but there was some stuff going on yesterday where I couldn't upload. But I have it up for you today. So today, I actually don't have really a meal prep, but it is a meal related video. So it's going to be going up on Meal Prep Monday because it's still about the food we consume and stuff. So for this video, I'm going to be doing a 3-day detox, a 3-day juicing detox to be exact. So for the next 3 days, the only thing I'm going to be drinking is fruit juices, vegetable juices, and stuff like that. So it's going to be, I don't think it's going to be difficult because I did a 3-day fast before. Well, I only lasted 2 days, but 2 days is still a lot to not eat anything or drink any type of juice. So the reason I'm doing this detox is because I just noticed, like I told y'all in the last meal prep video, we kickstarted our fitness journey for this year. And I've noticed like I've been having like a lot of bloat in my stomach. And I've been feeling just real stuffed. And like, even when I don't eat, I just feel really stuffed. So I feel like this detox would be perfect for me because I'm tired of feeling like this. And this would kickstart my weight loss journey. I'm going to show you a before picture. So as you can see in this before picture, like my stomach is really bloated, like going from the front view and from the side view. Like it's just too much. It's not cute. Yeah, and I've been wanting to do a detox for a while. Like I was thinking about doing like the salt water cleanse where you like drink salt water on like an empty stomach. But it's just something about that doesn't sit right with me, and it's just making me scared. I feel like I'm gonna get high blood pressure or something. Even though I doubt that you can get high blood pressure from drinking salt water once, but I don't know. I just been really scared to try that. So I figured this is safe and effective from what the videos I've seen. It looked pretty effective. So I'm just going to try this 3-day detox and it's going to be great. So I'm just let you know my starting weight. And I'm actually filming this after the detox is already over. But I'm going to let y'all watch the video. But my starting weight is 183.4. So I'm almost to my starting weight for my first weight loss journey. So that is really horrible. And I'm disappointed in my waist size as well. Okay, y'all, so I didn't even realize I got this fucking big. But my starting waist weight is 33 inches. So that is horrible. I lost a lot of weight, y'all. And I went all the way down to 29-inch waist. And I really gained that much on my waist. That's kind of sad. But we're about to start this cleanse. So no, it shoots. Yeah, I showed y'all my measurements. I showed y'all my weight. So let's get started with this detox. Okay, so for the first juice I'm gonna make, it's gonna be like a citrus breakfast type of juice. So what I have for this is carrots. I have lemons, limes, mangoes, and y'all still got a little skin on it, but it's fine. Mangoes, pineapples, oranges. I have ginger, and I also have cayenne pepper. I'm just gonna add like a dash of this, but this is gonna make your metabolism speed up, and it's gonna help process and burn the fat. Then I added an agave syrup to it as well. I gotta see how I feel once I start. But y'all, I'm excited because it's my first time making a juice. But anyways, so let's get started. Okay, so after I make the juice, this is how it is looking. It's not blended yet, but we're gonna blend. I have this funnel just to make it like a little easier to pour in here. So let's see how this goes. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna add this agave. I'm gonna shake it up a little bit and see. I already know this is gonna be a spicy one. Ooh, I need to add turmeric too. I might add some watermelon to this too. So this is how it's looking. I might add turmeric and watermelon, and hopefully that'll be a good one. Okay, and this is our first drink. Now let's move on to the second one. Okay, y'all, so we have our first juice, as you can see. So for our second juice we're gonna make, it's gonna be a red juice. For this one we have grapefruit, watermelon, raspberries, blackberries, red apples, and beets. We're gonna see how it tastes because I never had beet juice, but I feel like I would like it. So I'm gonna try that and we're gonna see how it tastes. And I'm gonna add agave to this one as well. Or do I even need a sweetener? I don't know. I'm gonna taste it first and then I'm gonna see if I need a sweetener. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I'm with one, then you could manage. Yeah. Oh, we want me, oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me size. Promise that you won't let me fall. This one looks really good. I feel like I'm gonna really like this one. But this one looks so good to me. I think I'm gonna really like this. Okay, yeah, so this is how this one is looking. I'm gonna add a little more to it, but I'm gonna do that a little later. And yeah, I'm gonna do it later. But yeah, let's move on to the next one. All right, y'all, so for the next one, we're gonna make a green machine smoothie. So for this one, we have pineapples, limes, lemons, cucumbers, celery, pears, apples. We have mint leaf. We also have spinach and kale in the background making an appearance. So I really want this one to be all green. So I'm using all green vegetables or yellow because the yellow's gonna be canceled out. But let's see how this one turns out. For this one, I'm gonna add a little honey to it just because, I don't know. We already have agave in 2 of them, so let's try the honey. But I feel like I do need the sweetener because kale is disgusting. I do not like how kale tastes. I'm gonna add more to this one, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, so our next juice is gonna fall more in like the smoothie category, I think, but it will be the consistency of a juice, so I'm still gonna do it. So for this one, I have a cup of almond milk. You can use almond or oat or whatever type of milk, not cow milk though. And then I have pineapples. I'm using frozen mangoes because I don't want to cut up my other mango right now. And plus those weren't that sweet. I have banana and I have a little bit of turmeric because I don't want the turmeric to be too strong in this one. So let's see how this one turns out. Okay, and this is how this one is looking. I feel like this one is gonna be really good. I don't know. It's not as enough, but I think I'm gonna use this one as like a snack or just like when I'm not all that hungry, I guess. Cause I just don't feel like, I don't wanna use all my ingredients cause I don't wanna go back to. Okay, y'all, so these are how my juices are looking for the week. They look really good, even though they're not all the same amount. It'll be fine. I think it will be fine, honestly. So it look great though. So let's get started with this juice cleanse. Hey y'all, so I know the quality of this is not that good, but I'm on the way to work. So I was just gonna let y'all know, like, this is my first juice and it's actually really good. Turn this off. But yeah, this is my first juice of the day. And y'all, guess what time it is? And this is my first time eating or well, drinking anything. It is 5:56 p.m. and I'm just not drinking something. Yeah, I really fuck with this. This is the green juice I made. It's really good. Pear, you gonna get over or not? But yeah, I'm excited. But y'all, I am so disappointed that my waist is at a 33. Like, how I go from a 28 to a 33 in a matter of a year? I mean, stuff happens, but it's just crazy. But don't worry, this is gonna be our kickstart into a new healthy journey. Remember, I told y'all in the last video, like, we are all in this together. So make sure y'all do this cleanse. Y'all can do 5 days, y'all can do 3 days. I'm testing out the 3 day first because I'm starting on a Wednesday and I would need my Saturdays because I like to eat good on Saturdays. But yeah, so day 1, I might record myself doing the next juice for dinner. Well, this is my lunch, like a late ass lunch. And then around like 8 o'clock, I'm gonna drink this one. So yeah, I'm gonna do this as an intermittent fast as well. Like, so I'm gonna just drink from like 12 to 8, unless I'm like really starving, and that's what I would do. Like the fillers, like the ones that had less juice in it, then that's when I would do that. So like the like the apple juice or like that other one with the milk. Like I'll probably drink one of those as like my fillers. But yeah, so it's going great so far, you guys. Hey y'all, so it is the next day and I only drank 2 juices yesterday because you know I had a really late start. But guess what, y'all? I already lost 3.3 pounds in a matter of 1 day. In a matter of a half day, really. Well, I guess a whole day because I didn't eat nothing yesterday. But yeah, like I wish I would have recorded my stuff on scale. I don't feel like getting up because I feel really tired. But yeah, you know, yesterday when I showed y'all, it was 183 pounds, 183.4 pounds. And then today when I got on scale, it was 180.1. So y'all, I didn't think it was gonna work for me, but I'm not gonna get too excited just because like I know it can come back as long as I start eating. But it's still exciting because I still never lost that much weight at once. And also, I seen my waist had dropped an inch, so now I was at 32 inches. So yeah, it's exciting. It's making me definitely want to like continue because last night I was considering like, oh, I'm drinking one of my juices. So I'm drinking the orange juice that we made. Well, the orange colored one. It's not orange juice, but I'm drinking this one. But yeah, last night I was considering, well, I was watching like other people's videos and stuff, and I seen some people eat like, well, I was watching Alexis Rebecca. Her name used to be Scandalex, but now it's Alexis Rebecca. I was watching her and she was saying that she ate like boiled eggs and like small salads and stuff. And I seen a couple people saying that they were eating like salads to get through it. But now I was considering doing it, but I might just try to actually stick with it, no food at all. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, day 1 already completed. Hey y'all, so it's actually day 3 for me and I've lost a little more weight. Let's see. Yeah, I've lost a little more. Last time I measured my I don't know why I'm not measuring on camera, but I measured myself off camera, like when I first woke up, and I wrote it down. Hold on. My waist was at a 30.5 inches, and remind you, starting off it was at like 33, and my weight was at 178. So we're making some, well, 178.8, so basically 179 still. But yeah, we're definitely making progress. We're gonna keep it up. Right now I'm just drinking some chai tea just because I need something hot. I'm tired of cold, so I made some chai tea. All the cinnamon went to the bottom. I put too much cinnamon, by the way. But yeah, all the cinnamon went to the bottom, so I'm drinking that. And in a little bit, I'm gonna drink my first smoothie of the day. Well, my first juice of the day. Okay, y'all, so it's actually day 4, and as you can see, well, it's Saturday morning. So as you can see, I'm doing another side-by-side comparison of my before and after. So as you can see, my stomach went down a lot. Like, this is a huge, well, it's not huge, but it's a noticeable difference for me. It's a difference that I am completely happy with. All right, y'all, so let's check it's the beginning of day 4. So let's check my measurements. As you can see how the abs coming in, they slight, but they still trying to come. But anyways, let's see these measurements. The result is 32 inches. As you can see, I lost an inch off my waist, which is really good. I'm happy with that, really. Like yesterday, it said 31 inches, but then again, I ate. Yeah, I ate last night, so that probably just messed it up a little bit. But I'm so proud of the 1 inch I lost and the 3 pounds. So that's still an accomplishment. I'm about to do this every week. I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy. You know, it's only like 1 inch off my waist. Like that still make a difference. Like that 1 inch can make a difference. That 1 inch can determine if you a 30-inch waist or a 29-inch waist, and the 29 just sound better to me. But I'm not there yet, so we gonna get that real soon. Okay, so to compare my starting weight, so reminder, my starting weight was 183.4, and my weight today is 180.4. So I lost exactly 3 pounds doing the juicing diet, and I actually got down to like 178.4, 4.6, something like that. But I feel so horrible, you guys. Like around like 11:45 Friday night, I ate something. So I think that kind of threw me off a little bit. But I'm still glad with the progress I made, but just try to be stronger than I was. I had went out, so that's why that messed me up. But I'm still proud with the results. Okay, y'all, thank y'all for watching this detox video. Make sure y'all actually do the detox before y'all start y'all journey, because it just gives you a fresh start. And I'm telling you, like, I've been feeling way better since I've detoxed. Like, it's just the next day, but I've still been feeling way better. So make sure you're doing this detox. If you do decide to do it, make sure you tell me which detox drink was your favorite. And yeah, I want to thank you all for watching this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Most definitely subscribe, because I've been seeing a lot of y'all who watch my videos aren't subscribed to me. So yeah, make sure y'all subscribing. So yeah, thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.